Hi and welcome. It's Peg, and have I got a bit of news for you? I went to Amazon recently and I was looking at watercolors, and I did not have gouache. And I thought, in addition to watercolor, I like to use gouache on occasion because it's a little more opaque than watercolor. And I picked up this 24 pan palette from Amazon, and I'm just swatching these out now so that you can see what they look like. But I'm really very pleased with the colors in this palette. It's got some beautiful blues, and gouache is not really watercolor because of its opacity. Typically you think about you want transparent colors or granulating colors when you're looking at watercolors. However, gouache works really well with watercolors because sometimes you don't necessarily want that transparency. If you're layering things on top of one another, sometimes you need that opacity. So I was looking at this and picked it up. It's very reasonable. Depending on when you're watching this, the price does change on Amazon, but let me tell you, it's very reasonable. I'll put a link down below. I think when I looked at it today, it was about $14, and this is just the first part of August, so, very reasonable. It comes with the water reservoir brush, and it's Prime, so, if you've got Prime, the shipping is free. So go check it out. Follow the link. Look at other things in my Amazon store if you want to, because I group things according to category and the products that I like. So if you're interested in looking at other products I like, go to my Amazon store and check it out. Okay. Thanks, and I'll see you again soon.